Number 14, Bea De Leon. And to all the fans here in the arena, and to all the viewers from GMA News TV, let's get it on!
Yan ang gusto kong marinig doon. Yung ating Jovelyn Gonzaga on the serve. Saan? Quick play. Masyado mababa para kay De Leon, but it will still work for Ateneo.
The important thing is gagawan mo ng paraan dapat. No matter kung off yung set sa'yo ng setter.
And the very tall Bea De Leon, listed defending champion of this conference. When Jovelyn Gonzaga was still with the team and Rachel Andakis became their guest players last year. Here's Negrito. Lifted up, Gonzaga. Iniwan para kay Bea De Leon.
Excellent set.
Ateneo trying to pull away again. Timeout FEU as we take a look at this one again. That's just a great setup. No chance for the defense ng FEU na makahabol doon. And now Bea De Leon back to serve. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Gonzaga nahirapan. Coach hitting all of her targets at the net so far. Kanina si De Leon, ngayon si Ahumiro. And now De Leon serves it wide. So 22-17.
One of the highest
at least in the top 5, di ba? He's number 11 in scoring. Yan ang maganda set para kay De Leon. Good naman.
But yun nga, naging kulang ngayon yung balanse. Especially now in this rotation where FEU only has 2 attackers.
And they cannot even get that one across.
At mahirap din nga naman because they're down 5 points.
Well, still in the early goings naman dito sa ating second set. That is a serve that goes out from De Leon. So 9-5. Ateneo's lead down to 4. Public chat stats sa inyong Viber app. And search and follow Valley Friends. Ayan, siguradong good vibes when you catch their ultra fun kulitan.
Pinalo na nga ni Noel eh.
Yun na nga.
Oo.
Uy! Bea De Leon gets that through. Sino ka pinakamakulit dun? Tingin ko si John Vic de Guzman.
Pwede.
Pwede. Sir, pag-receive pa lang, sinabi niya, running. Yung nga ginawa dun. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
But again, ito, sinabi na natin kanina, Giselle Tan doing an excellent job in really making her teammates look good. Right now, the second set, Ahumiro actually scored 4 points in the second set.
Lipat naman sa kabila. Aray. De Leon is dizzy. De Leon needs an ice pack at the back of her head.
Sanay na yung mga yan. Wala na yan.
Seeing stars eh.
Hindi na rin natutuwa ang ating mga coaches sa dami.
Is Bea De Leon okay already? Baka nahihilo pa rin siya.
May stars pa rin.
Medyo nahihilo pa, no?
Sumobra.
Masakit pa sa ulo niya ngayon. Nuturo niya pa rin kaya Ahumiro. My head is painful because of you. So lang patikitin yung score. It's the number 1 objective right now. Okay, cut it down to 5. Well, it's back to 10. Bea De Leon. And at long last, Ateneo finally puts the pesky FEU squad away in the third set, 25-18. So Ateneo remains undefeated and they will be the number 1 team in the league regardless already of what happens